The rise of Trumpius Maximus, a meme coin with big ambitions. The world of cryptocurrency is a wild ride. It's like a roller coaster designed by a sugar-crazed 5-year-old. Just when you think you've seen it all, along comes something like Trumpius Maximus. Yes, you heard that right. Trumpius. This cryptocurrency, named after you-know-who, has taken the internet by storm. Like its namesake, Trumpius is bold, brash, and impossible to ignore. It's a meme coin, meaning it's driven by online communities and their love of, well, memes. Remember the Doge days? The Shiba Inu frenzy? Trumpius is riding that same wave of internet-fueled speculation. But can this meme coin actually make you money? Well, that's a question that would make even a magic 8-ball start sweating. Trumpius Maximus. Today, a snapshot of the market. The cryptocurrency world is buzzing with activity, and Trumpius is no exception. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. The numbers don't lie, and today, we're diving deep into the current state of Trumpius. As of today, January 4th, 2025, Trumpius is sitting at a price of 30 cents. This is a significant marker for the currency. That's right, just a hair over 30 cents will get you a piece of this digital pie. It's an accessible entry point for new investors. Now, before you rush off to remortgage your house, remember that the cryptocurrency market is volatile. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours. I'm talking about the kind of volatility that would make a caffeinated squirrel on a trampoline look like a model of serenity. It's a wild ride. In the last 24 hours alone, Trumpius has seen a surge of over 28%. This kind of movement is both exciting and nerve-wracking. That's a whole lot of green candles on the charts, folks. Green candles indicate upward price movement, and there's been plenty of that. But hold your horses, because that doesn't mean the rocket is going to the moon just yet. We need to be cautious and not get carried away by the hype. The market cap, a measure of the total value of all Trumpius in circulation, is currently at a respectable $17.14 million. This is a healthy figure for a growing cryptocurrency. That's not quite Bitcoin territory, but it's nothing to sneeze at either. Trumpius is carving out its own niche in the market, and it's worth keeping an eye on. Peeking into the crystal ball, short-term Trumpius price predictions. So you've got your eye on Trumpius, and you're wondering if it's going to make you rich by next Tuesday. Maybe you're dreaming of that new car or a vacation in the Bahamas. Well, I hate to break it to you, but I don't have a time machine. If I did, I'd probably be on that beach already. Nobody does, except maybe that guy down the street who claims he's from the future and only eats mayonnaise sandwiches. But I digress. Let's get back to reality. Short-term price predictions are a bit like trying to predict the weather in a hurricane. It's chaotic, unpredictable, and often leaves you drenched. Sure, you can look at the radar and make an educated guess, but there's always a chance you'll end up getting soaked. The same goes for the crypto market. Based on historical data and trend analysis, some experts predict that Trumpius could dip slightly tomorrow, down to around 30 cents. This is based on recent trading patterns and market sentiment. That's a drop of less than 1%, but hey, in the crypto world, every Satoshi counts. Even the smallest fluctuations can make a big difference. Looking further ahead, the next month could see Trumpius trading around 28 cents. This projection takes into account various market factors and potential investor behavior. That's a drop of about 5%, but remember, these are just predictions. The market can be influenced by countless variables, from global events to individual investor decisions. Take them with a grain of salt, or maybe a whole salt lick. After all, in the world of cryptocurrency, nothing is ever set in stone. Section 4. Gazing into the abyss. Long-term Trumpius price predictions. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, long-term predictions. This is where we dive deep into the unknown, where speculation meets wild imagination. This is where things get really interesting, and by interesting I mean about as reliable as a weather forecast from a groundhog. Yes, it's that unpredictable. Predicting the price of anything, let alone a cryptocurrency, years into the future, is a fool's errand. It's like trying to read tea leaves in a storm. It's like trying to predict which way a confetti cannon will fire when you're standing directly in front of it. You might get it right, but more often than not, you'll be way off. That being said, some brave souls have ventured to make long-term predictions for Trumpius. These analysts and enthusiasts are like modern-day explorers, charting unknown territories. These predictions range from the wildly optimistic, reaching infinity by the end of 2025, to the downright depressing, crashing to zero by 2027. The spectrum is vast and varied. There are even predictions that involve NaN, which stands for not a number. This essentially means the data is so erratic it can't even be quantified. I'm not sure what that means, but it doesn't sound good. In the end, the future of Trumpius remains as mysterious as ever. Section 5. The power of the crowd factors influencing Trumpius price. So if long-term predictions are about as useful as a chocolate fire guard, what actually influences the price of Trumpius? Well, a lot of things actually. Section 6. Navigating the storm investment strategies and risk management. When it comes to investing in Trumpius, or any cryptocurrency for that matter, having a solid strategy and understanding the risks involved is crucial. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Also, stay informed and keep up with market trends. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, and it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Risk management isn't just a good idea, it's essential.